Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers, and today we're doing a huge migration from Windows 7 to Windows 10. We have a law firm that is currently with 18 computers. As you can see, we've actually gotten them all ready. We're about to take them over to their location and get them ready. Essentially, they have older machines. They have Windows 7 on them, and around January 14th of 2020, they're going to cut out support for Windows 7. So essentially that means that it's opening up the floodgates for viruses and a bunch of errors and problems that you can get with your machine. So we're going to jump ahead and get them ready for next year so they don't have to worry about that. So we went ahead and got 18 computers ready. We're going to take them over there. We got a new server for them. We're going to join them up, get them nice and secure, and get them ready for the Windows 10. So if you ever have a question about doing a migration or if you need help with any of that, you're welcome to give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.